Hold tight, please.
So if someone wants to run in and just check they're alright for they're open, it's supposed to be open until 10. Do you want to just run in and check they're open for a bit? It's looking promising.